Hey everyone, I'm Frenchy. I'm one of the fabricators here at Trundles, and today we are doing some exhausts. This is one of the jigs for the 200. We have a few articles over here, some more 200 series. We've got some VDJ stuff we're doing as well. We're part way through some under-deck toolboxes. There's some universal guards and some airboxes going on next door with Dave. So yeah, there's a little bit happening, lots to do. These ones are the dump pipes on the VDJ. We are going to do the rest of the system, but we have already got some of them on the shelf already, depending on what you're buying them for. If you want DPF back, we'll use certain sections. So some sections sell more than others. So we've run out of 4, so we need one of these quickly by tomorrow. So we've done a bit of a run of them. These toolboxes, we made a few decks. We haven't done any for a while, but there's another set of guards that look like this that are cut out for the VDJ, and this was for the VDJ under deck toolboxes, but they will go on a lot of vehicles and look good. They're pretty smart looking box. We fabricate a lot of products here at Trundles. There's heaps to look at online, from exhaust, snorkels, airboxes, brackets, and so on and so forth. So have a look, check it out, and we will make the goodies.